Yo, what's going down with everybody, man? This your main man, KBThaBandHead. Y'all already know what type of time your boy is on, man. If you see me in these YouTube streets, bro, your boy is back on this band heat.
Nice.
So, I am back on this Jackson State heat that went down at the Tournament of Roses parade. Also, I want to let y'all know, bro, hey, this is a request, but the person who requested this wants to remain anonymous. So salute to you, salute to you. I'm not gonna put their business out there, but they did request for me to check out, a slew of Jackson State videos. So y'all about to get this work. And on top of that, I was gonna check it out anyway because, man, Jackson State was in California putting on for the culture. You feel me? So, hey, y'all saw me check out the KBThaBandHead band, like they did their Bandfest event. I believe Jackson State was not there on the same day. I didn't know it was different days, low key. I had no idea, but as I can see in this video right now, they do have the lights on. So the other video, KBThaBandHead, they didn't have lights on. It was different. You feel me? Like I can tell it was during the day. So, man, we have seen the rest. Now it is time for the best. Jackson State University. Hey, they represented for you. Feel me? Man, hey, before I get into this, y'all know I got to do my due diligence over here, man. Salute to Jackson State media team for this, man. Go in the description of this video, hit that link, subscribe to them. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into this heat because I am looking forward to what Jackson State put together. Okay. Let me turn this up because I want to hear this. Okay. Come on, announcer.
You're sounding good. I need
Oh,
you
okay.
to be sure to remember that toward the end of our show. Good afternoon, Pasadena, California.
Let's go. Let's go.
First appearance in the Tournament of Roses parade at BandFest.
Oh.
Excited to be here.
Wait, I thought Jackson State been to the Tournament of Roses before, but maybe they ain't did the Bandfest. I don't know. I know one of y'all historians that's watch my channel. Y'all gonna let me know. Is this the first time at the Bandfest or the first time at the parade? I don't know. I gotta do my research, low key.
Represent Jackson State, Jackson, Mississippi, and all HBCUs.
Hey, come on now. Let's go. Ooh, y'all gonna do it like that? Let's go. Hey. I see y'all. Oh, okay. Let's go. Man, hold up, bro. Hold up. Let me stop. Can we talk about this? You know what? I'm finna watch that again because that was beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen them do that this year. So they came out with something, man, come on. That's what I'm talking about, J5. Let's go. I gotta watch this again. Hey. I love it. 3 different, come on now. Ooh, that was smooth. That was smooth to the splits. Yeah, come on, J5. Oh yeah, let me turn this up.
The apex of excellence. Sound and music.
Come on now, put this.
That is unmatched.
Oh, they ready. I could tell.
Mesmerized, energized, and completely loose.
Uh-oh, they finna do something different. I can already tell.
Of the #1 band in the land.
Let's go.
They look good.
They do look good.
As smooth as silk. They
Uh-oh.
performances all over the nation in stadiums and
Y'all better hold it. Let's go.
Pasadena. Here's the most
Oh, they came with a plan, I can tell.
America.
Ooh, camera work. Yes, sir.
And now, being called
Ooh, this camera work is amazing. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh, they better be ready for this sound. Here we go. Ooh. Come on, Trump folk, I hear ya. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, come on. This is a great song to do your drill to, low key. It's perfect they did it at the Rose Parade. Ooh, come on, formations. Y'all better come in and say this camera work is immaculate. I love this. I love it. Oh, come on. Yeah, Jackson State. Yeah, Jackson State. Bro, that drone footage is... It's beautiful. It's beautiful. This drill look immaculate from the top, bruh. Come on, the pinwheels, how they getting it? That's poetry in motion, bro. Poetry in motion. Poetry in motion. Let's go, J Sets. Woo. Oh my God. Y'all playing now. Okay, ladies, I see y'all. Yeah. Woo, high brass. Come on now. Come on, ladies. Hey, they did their thing. I like the transitions. Make it sexy now. Ooh. Uh-huh. Come on, War and Thunder. Y'all look good. I see y'all. Ooh, he could have jazzed it up. Y'all could have jazzed it up a little bit more, though. I want to hear some slides in there. Oh, he working. Hat done came off. Okay, Z's, I see you. Come on, Wood wins. Yeah. Oh man, they playing though. I don't know what song that was, but it sound good. I love the drone footage. I know Southern be doing this too, but it look even better in California. I'm just saying, it look better in color. They getting the crowd with this. Good choice. Come on, dance routine. Okay, y'all gonna do them like that? For the 99 in 2000, y'all gonna take them to NOLA like that? Okay, y'all taking to Atlanta now? Oh, Christian be working. I see it. Okay, I see y'all. Oh, this one be, bro. This drone is just crazy, bro. Come on, dog team. I hear you. I like this. Oh, this is finna be loud. Don't blow them down. Woo. Yeah. Yes, sir. Hey, y'all better put that soul in their life, bruh. Put that soul in their life. Rockstar. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all done went out there and did your thing, I see. I know. Okay, I thought it was done. Okay. I got up close and personal with it. Okay. I like this. Oh, y'all about to blow them? Y'all about to blow them down? Lord, they gonna need hearing aids after this. Go on, hit them with it. Come on, Dr. Little. I see you. Yes, sir. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, bro. That is how you do it. Yeah. Yeah. I believe it is over, but that's what I'm talking about, Jackson State. That's what I'm talking about. You go down, you represent. You represent, man. They picked the right band, bro, because they've been on this high, bro. They've been riding this high since last year, bro. Let's keep it a buck, bro. They've been riding this high, and they are producing, and they are operating like that. I love it. They're confident, man. They put on a show, bro. And also, major shout out to the media team, bro. Y'all are getting better and better with this thing, bro. The editing is getting better. Like the drone, like that was just special. The BandFest drone, come on, bro. Y'all in Cali with the, come on, bro. I love it, bro. Just spectacular. I enjoyed it. I mean, if you was not entertained, that's on you, but That was a beautiful show from the beginning. Drum majors came out there, entertained you, then they blew you down. The drill was immaculate, you feel me? Then the ladies came out there, they danced their heart out. Dance routine, took it to NOLA, then took it to come on, bro. It was just high energy. I loved it, bro. I was, yeah. They represented well, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. Man, thank y'all. Thank y'all for checking out this video, man. More is on the way, man. I'm gonna check out the Disneyland. I believe he did request Disneyland. He requested another video. Where were they at? Another one, the day with the boon. I'm gonna check that out. That was in Cali, and then also another video from the Rose Parade as well. So we're about to get this Jackson State Marathon going on because, hey, your boy requested it, and I appreciate you, G. I really do. Thank you for that blessing. Thank you for that blessing. Anyway, man, we have more on the way. Y'all keep it locked and loaded. Let's go.